Hello, good morning, good evening, everyone. Welcome to today's video. We are going to discuss about Dynamics 365 CRM certifications. In Microsoft Dynamics 365, there are two categories. One is CRM CE and service. In each of these categories, there are different modules. In the CRM module, sales and customer insights are the two modules. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. Microsoft is calling sometimes as customer engagement in this category. These are two modules. And in the service category, there are three modules: customer service, contact center, and field service. This MB910 is the code of the exam. This is a generic 365 CRM certification exam. In the CRM, there are four certifications. In service, there are two types of certifications. Let's try to understand each one. This is my blog. Here I listed out. Before even we get into why do we want to get certified, broadly there are four steps to enhance the skills so that you prepare for the exam that deepens your understanding of the certification. This certification helps in the career advancements. There is a very good industry recognition and there is a job opportunities or promotions or salary increments based on the type of certifications you do. Let's start with MB910. Here I listed this is the MB900. When the user clicks on this, it takes to Microsoft study guide from for this MB910. Here you can see these are the skills that Microsoft outlines are measured in this exam. I listed that skills in this tab, skills measured. This is about MB19. This is the fundamentals exam, means this is a basic exam. In the sales, we have four, in the CRM, we have probably four types of different exams. Let's start with MB210, right? MB210 is a sales functional consultant associate exam. When you click on it, again, it takes you to this Microsoft Place where you can list out all these study guides and what is the purpose, updates, all this information is outlined on this page. 210 is for sales functional consultant and 220, here you can see, 220 is for customer insights, right? CRM customer insights. And 230, 230 is more on the functional customer service functional consultant. As you can see, all these certifications are all functional consultant certifications, right? So consultant or functional consultant certification. So we have a certification for customer service. We have a certification for field service. We have certification for customer insights and customer experience. This is a broad, this covers, here we talked about CRM/CE. It covers both these exams. As you can see, Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM certifications are having very good industry value. I strongly encourage you guys, if you are interested to get into the CRM space, prepare for this exam. You will have once you get certified, you'll have a good career opportunities. Thanks for tuning in.